ஹாய். இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது கேப்ரிகானுக்கு. ஸோ கேப்ரிகானுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, tarot reading for the month of March, from March 15 to March 30. I'm going to see the past, recent past, present energy and the recent immediate future, what is going to be. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, what are the challenges, what are the advice from the tarot and from the oracle card, and yeah, this is what we are going to see for the people of Capricorn. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, this is a general reading. மறுபடியும் சொல்கிறேன், this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you because ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்களோட situations வேற, ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்களோட இது வேற. Take what resonates with you. And if you want to take personal readings, my number, like my WhatsApp number and my Instagram page ID, it's been in the description box below. You can go and check it out and you can message me to take a personal reading, and the personal readings are chargeable. So thank you so much. We'll get into the video reading. Okay. Show me the past, present and the immediate future energy for the people of Capricorn, and also the challenges. Show me the card. Show me the cards for the people of Capricorn. The past, the recent past and the immediate future and the present energy. Chariot, the Empress, the High Priestess, what is the present, Judgment, Knight of Wands, Four of Swords. What is the immediate future, Four of Swords. What is the immediate future for the people of Capricorn? What are the challenges for the people of Capricorn? What are the challenges for the people of Capricorn? Three of Swords. Okay, what you don't see coming in the behind the scenes on the pakrache, the Lovers. Wow, Lovers in upright, the Strength and the Emperor. Emperor and the Strength is in reverse. Okay, the Lovers straight up card. Okay, let's clarify each and every card. Okay. Okay, so what is the challenge for the people of Capricorn? Pakrache, Three of Swords. Three of Swords in the sense there is going to be a lot of pain. I could sense a lot of pain, a lot of third-party influence in your relationship, or in your office, or in your career, or in your job, something like that. I could sense here. Third-party influence irka podu kandipa. For the people, the truth is going to get revealed about your relationship. Is he serious with me, or is she serious with me? That is a lot of challenges is going to happen for the people of Capricorn, because I could sense a lot of pain here. You can see, you see the lot of pain, lot of heartbreaks, lot of pain, lot of pain. But let's see what are the past and what is the present and what is the immediate future abdin paakarache. The Chariot, the Empress and the High Priestess. Okay, the reason past la vandu paathutinga abdina, there was a growth and there was a movement, and there was something happened behind you, but there was a movement, there was some growth in your relationship. But right now I don't see like you feel like somewhat suspicious in your relationship, something like that, because I could sense that. There are a lot some suspicious, some healing is happening in your present, in the present, because there was a heartbreak. I could in the challenge which pakarache, in the present energy which pakarache, there was some heartbreak for some of the people. For some of the people you are getting healed. The Judgment and the Knight of Wands and the Four of Swords. Yes, be patient. Don't be in a hurry. Don't take any kind of hasty decisions right now. That is what it is popping in my mind right now. Okay, what is the immediate future? The Fool, the Magician and the Seven of Wands. Okay, there is going to be a new beginning. Someone is manifesting in the near future. Maybe you, or maybe your person or your partner, something like that. Somebody is manifesting. Somebody is thinking about you. They want you back, and the mother in the immediate future. At the same time, there was a lot of restrictions. Let's see why the Seven of Wands is here. Somebody is pushing away. There is some restrictions. There is some resistance in the immediate future also. And what you don't see coming is the Lover's card. Maybe you are going through a breakup or heart pain or something like that, but I could sense in upright la vandirukku. The Lover's card, it is in upright, and the Strength card is in reverse, and the Emperor in reverse. Okay, Lovers is a very good card, right? Lovers is a very good card. Okay, but let's see. நம்ம வந்து clarify பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம் what it is trying to say அப்படின்றத வந்து நம்ம வந்து clarify பண்ணி பார்த்தா தான் we could able to get the answer. Well, let's see why is the Three of Swords is here for the challenge for the next 15 days. Well, let's see why is the Three of Swords is here. Why is the Three of Swords is here for the people of Capricorn? Why is the Three of Swords is here as a challenge for the people of Capricorn? Why is the Three of Swords is here? Please clarify. Some people are under separation, if I'm not wrong. Yes, you're under separation. That is why I could see a Three of Swords. See, separation. You don't know. There is a lot of separation. Lot of separation in your energy. I could sense that is the Capricorn for the people. I think it could be matched for some people, specific or significant for some of the people it could match. I could sense a lot of separation, lot of distance relationship I could see, and some people has ghosted you. Some people could break up, a strong breakup I could sense. That is what I am sensing here in the upcoming 15 days. That is what going to be the challenge for you. Somebody has pushed you away from the relationship. They don't want you in the relationship. And the mother I could sense here. In the recent past, what happened abdin paakalam nama. Why is the High Priestess is here? Chariot, Empress and the High Priestess recent past la vandirukku. Let's clarify for the card for High Priestess. Why the High Priestess is here? There was a movement. There was a growth. But now you realized the truth about someone regarding your partner. Something like that. And for some of the people you could not able to travel. For some of the people you have realized about the truth about someone in your office. For some of the people ellarukku ore story irukadalla. Just telling you, for every people every story. Why the High Priestess is here in the recent past? Why is the High Priestess is here in the recent past? Why is the High Priestess is here in the recent past? The High Priestess is clarified by the King of Wands, the High Priestess and the Fool. Maybe you, maybe because of High Priestess, sometimes it denotes. For some of the people, see, who are going through a lot of heartbreak, you found some third-party situation. Or for some of the people, you found that your partner is cheating on you. For some of the people, with other person. for some of the people. And for some of the people there was a see, not for everyone, okay, not for everyone. You found in the recent past, you found out that in the recent past everything was going good. You found the growth was awesome, but you found out that your partner is cheating on you in the recent past. Their name maybe could start with B or J. Not for everyone, but for some of the people. C, B and J. You found there was some cheating, trust issues is happening in your relationship for some of the people. Let's clarify why the Empress is here. Why the Empress is here? Why is the Empress is here in the recent past? Why the Empress is here in the recent past? Why the Empress is here in the recent past? The Empress is clarified by the stars and the Four of Cups and the Hermit. Okay. You thought there was a movement, but at the same time, there was no... There was an... the separation has started in the recent past itself. There was an isolation. There was an isolation. Isolated from the past வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா you found recent pastல நீங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்க. You found that your partner is cheating on you and you are going through that pain again. And for some of the people in the current energy, you are getting healed. You are in the healing process, if I am saying. Because the Judgment card is here, you have come to the realization. You have come to the realization. You found out that he or she is cheating on you. The Star and the Four of Cups and the Hermit. You found he or she is cheating on you. I think this is going to be the specific reading for some people. You found in the recent past. Okay, let's see why the Knight of Wands is here. Let's see why the Knight of Wands is here. In the present energy, why the Knight of Wands is here. The Judgment. Why the Knight of Wands is here. You are healing because you see there was a heartbreak. That is good. That is what challenging for you. And you see there is a heart and you are getting healed. Why is the Knight of Wands is here? The Knight of Wands is clarified by the Six of Cups, King of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Absolutely. Okay. For most of the people, long relationship, like long year relationship. For some of the people who got married, you came to know about that your partner is cheating on you, and he is now coming back again, that he was sorry. He feels sorry for you. He feels emotional for you right now. He wants to start again with you. He wants to start again with you, the life, the memories you have gave to him. He's realizing now. That is what the Judgment says. The Knight of Wands is clarified by the Six of Cups, King of Cups and the Ace of Wands. he is so passionate about you. He wants to come back, and he wants to, or he or she wants to have a life with you. Yes, he has done something wrong, but he realized what he has done is wrong. I told you, right? This is a very strong connection. Let's see why the Seven of Wands. அதாவது நம்ம வந்து பார்த்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா immediate future, the Fool, the Magician and the Seven of Wands is here. Okay, the Seven of Wands is here. Why is the Seven of Wands is here in the immediate future? Why is the Seven of Wands is here in the immediate future? Why is the Seven of Wands is here in the immediate future? Why is the Seven of Wands is here in the immediate future? Whoever has gone, okay, whoever has gone, whoever has cheated on you, whoever has see, Seven of Wands is pushing away. He wants to start again, but I think you or your maybe you vice versa kuda irukla, maybe you do not want to continue this relationship because the cycle is changing. You're concentrating. Some people wants to concentrate on their work, because some people wants to concentrate on their job. They want to earn on their own, they want to be dependent on their own. But I could see there is a new beginning is there, but at the same time there is a chance for the new beginning, because the Fool, the Magician, because he is manifesting about you, he or she is manifesting about you. He wants to start the relation again, but again I think you are not so interested. You are showing the resistance here, Capricorn people. The cycle is changing, guys. You can take you can give one more chance, because the Lovers card is here. For some of the people, the new love is going to happen for some of the people. For some of the people, okay, but for the most of the people, you can start again with your partner who has been realized what he has done wrong in the recent, what he has realized, and he wants to come back to you. Let's see what's the advice for you guys. Let's see what's the advice. Show me the 3 cards for the people of Capricorn. What's the advice for the people of Capricorn? One second. What's the advice for the people of Capricorn? Sun is popping up again and again. The Justice and the World, okay. See, the advice is for you. Is the Sun, the Justice and the World, okay. Be fair in your relationship, okay. And the World showing you that he or she is going to be the world for you. Okay, for some of the people you are going to just close out the energy, but you can consider them, you can give them the second chance, because at the bottom of the deck we saw the Lovers card, right? So the Sun, the Justice and the World card, it is going to be an abundance, it is going to be the happiness, it is going to be very fair, it is going to be the world, because the one cycle has completed, the new cycle is going to start again. You can give them the chance. Okay, let's see what's a message you want to give for the people of Capricorn. Oracle cards, please give me some guidance. What's the advice you want to give for the people of Capricorn? Stay rooted and grounded. Earth Guardian. Stay rooted and grounded. Everything is going to be okay. Okay, so this is for you guys, for the people of Capricorn. Thank you so much for tuning in into my channel. And for the personal readings, it's chargeable. The number and the link is in the description box. Thank you so much. Spread only love. Bye.